What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will be making my BMW E90 Louder. Now I'm just going to show you a quick update on the Backbox mod I did. So it's still currently on, and makes the car look so much nicer. And now this is what it sounds like. So I've got the Resonator delete here that I'll be installing, and for this you'll need the exhaust paste and an angle grinder. This is the Resonator that we're going to delete, the mid silencer box. And now we need you to take this cover off. So the bolts are Torx 45, so you want to get your Torx 45, remove all these bolts so you have access to the Resonator. So right now I'm just marking out the Resonator, and then after that you'll see me cut it. So now we've removed the stock Resonator. It's time to put the new mod on. So once you got the Resonator out, you want to apply exhaust paste on both of the exhaust pipes. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Now we've installed the Resonator delete, and before you secure it, you'd like to get your exhaust paste, put the paste over it again just to get rid of any sneaky leaks. Now with the 13mm socket, you want to secure the clamps onto the exhaust pipe. So once you've done the exhaust, you want to put on this guard. So guys, I've installed the exhaust. Now I'm just going to leave it overnight and show you the results. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this project. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.